Hi, good day and welcome to another tutorials on the use of the ArcGIS software. Today we are going to have a look at how you can prepare a vector map from an area photograph or a drone image of an area. So to start with, I need to add my drone image, and my drone image I have saved it in a folder on the drive C where I'm working in. So I will navigate and then add my drone image. So this is the drone image of an area that is of interest to me. What I'm interested in is to be able to digitize the boundaries of the buildings as is being shown on this image, and then the road, and to be able to use that to prepare a map. So what I need to do is to create shape files for the features that are of importance to me. At the moment, two features that I want to focus on, that is the buildings and then the road. So I would go to our catalog, navigate into the folder I'm working in, which is this folder, and then I would create a shapefile for the building. So I'll create a shapefile for the building, and then I'll call it BLD. And this will also, and a BLD is going to be a polygon, which is the normal shape for buildings. I will edit the coordinate system, and I'll choose this coordinate system WGS 1984. Then I'll click on OK, and then I will also do same and also create a shapefile for road. Let me call it RD. The road is going to be a polyline. I will also edit this and choose this coordinate system and then apply. So now I'm done with the shapefiles that is of interest to me. But there is one other thing I want to add to the buildings. I want to add some attributes to the building. So I want to give a name to the building. I want to calculate the perimeter, the area, and then also I want to add the use of the building. So I would open the attributes of the building, right click on the BLD in the table of content, open the attributes, go to the options button here, and then I'll add a field, and I'll call this field name. Now use a text, change the length to about 20, and then I'll add it. Then I'll add another field, and I'll call that field use. Also text maximum 20. Then I'll click OK. So I think I'm done, and therefore I'll begin to digitize. So I'll start digitizing by using the editor toolbar. Click on the drop down arrow here, and then I'll start editing. Okay, and then I'll come to this side and then select the feature I want to create, which is the BLD. Then I'll hide. So this is the first feature that I want to digitize. This select the digitization. Go this way. This way. So I would go all around. Okay, I think I've made a mistake with the digitizing, so I'll edit and delete. I'll edit and delete, edit and delete. And then I'll start all over again. So this is the feature I want to digitize. So I would go around it. From beginning to end. Go around it. Come this way, and then I'll finish edit. Double click on it. I'll finish edit. Now the name of this is the University Auditorium, and so it's more than 20 characters. I would remove the university from there, give it auditorium, and then the use is still an auditorium. So I'm done with one building. I have another building over here that I would digitize. This building, So I'll continue to go like that until I finish digitizing, and then I'll name this as cafeteria, or let me simply say cafe, and then the use is also a cafe. Okay, so I would come back again, this particular building. Let me also digitize this particular building here. And then I would change this to FIMS faculty, and the use is a lecture hall. But I need to do some few edits in this because it doesn't have the shape that I really want. So I'll try and see if I can do some few editing in this to see if I can actually cut this polygon over here. Okay, so I've done that, and therefore I'll delete this from this, and when I bring it back, I'm going to have my shape. All right, so let me add some 2 more buildings to it, and then I think I'll be good to go. So I'm pretty sure you are catching up on how to do the digitizing. I have another building over here that you can also digitize. Okay, so once I finish, I want to digitize the road. So I would come to the create feature, select the road, and then I would start to digitize the road. So I'll digitize this road. So in digitizing the road, I'm interested in the center line. So I'll be doing my digitizing, focusing on the center line and not the ends of the road. Come here, continue from here all the way here, and then I would also do same for this road. So I think this road continues all the way to here. So I would continue this road, and let's say I'm done with this road also. So I think once I'm done, I can save all the edits, and then essentially I'm done with everything. So if I'm not interested, I can remove this, and I'll be left with these images. So what I want to do is now to prepare a map for presentation. So I would go to the layout view, go to view, layout, and so this is my map. I would change the paper size to A4 landscape, finish, and this is the map that I have prepared. I would increase the scale for this map. Then I'll add some few things like the scale bar, the north arrow, and the legend. So I'll add the north arrow, come to insert, north arrow. This is the north arrow. I would minimize the north arrow, pick the north arrow, put it somewhere. I would also insert the scale bar, pick the scale bar, put it somewhere. The scale bar is in miles. I don't want miles, so I'll change it to meters. Right click on it, go to properties. Then I will change this to meters. Meters is somewhere here, and then I will apply. And then I have my scale bar also in meters, and then I will insert the legend. So the legend, I want to see the BLD and this. Leave everything as default. There I have my legend. I would also put my legend somewhere here. Now I have my map. If I want to prepare this map, I can export, come to file, export,